In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to update Safari on your MacBook. First, you want to click Command Space and look up Safari, then open this up. Once you are on Safari, you just want to make sure you are on the newest and latest version. So to do that and check the version of Safari, go to the top and then click Safari and then About Safari. Then the version is 26.2 and I'm going to look up what is the newest version of Safari on Mac. And currently it is Safari 26.1 and that is the latest version of Safari on the MacBook. And if it lines up with your version it says on the Safari, then you are up to date. If it is not, what you want to do is just fully update your Mac. So you cannot update Safari separately, but you can update your MacBook and it will immediately update Safari to the latest version. So what you want to do is click Command Space, System Settings, look up Software Update, and then you just want to make sure you are installed in the latest version. And if you are not, then you just install it and then you will be able to update Safari to the latest version. If this helps you, subscribe.